Hello, good morning, my dear student. Today we are going for CPU chapter here in this computer subject. In this CPU chapter, we already discussed all about this chapter, circuit, chips, how computer is working. Now we are going for exercise part of this CPU. Okay. सो CPU के अंदर अब आज हम उसके एक्सरसाइज पार्ट को हम फिलअप करेंगे बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी कंप्लीटिंग अबाउट द ऑल द डिटेल इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट CPU, how they work, how the different types of components are present in a CPU, which important parts are present in CPU and how they perform their work, how motherboard perform their work, how control unit make their functions is possible. These all different things we have already discussed in our last different session. Okay, now we are going to fill up their exercise and we can say that assessment here. Fill in the blank. So first one is it prepare all the works of computer. So who prepare all the works of computer? So we already know that, as I told you, ALU is the most important part which are present inside of a motherboard who prepare all the works of computer. So here first one answer is ALU. Now second one, CPU placed on a printed circuit board are called. So CPU placed on a printed circuit board, जो CPU होता है जिसको सर्किट बोर्ड के ऊपर हम उसको रखते हैं, so वो उसे क्या कहते हैं? That is called a motherboard. Okay, that is called a motherboard. Then third one, it manages all the works inside computer. So different types of works are manages inside a computer. That is a control unit. That is called a control unit. Then fourth one, all the mathematical works done by, so the different types of components which are present inside of computer, that is perform a mathematical work. That is a first one part, that is called a arithmetic logic unit, and you can say that ALU. Now fifth one, all the data and programs are stored in a, that all the data and program are stored in a, which where it is stored in a memory. Okay, now sixth one, it is called a brain part of computer. So we already know that CPU is called a brain part of a computer. Now seventh one, it is work as a IPO cycle. So who work as a IPO cycle? Motherboard or CPU? Yeah, simple. CPU work as a input, process and output cycle. Now eighth one, prepare path for flow of current. So who prepare the path of flow of current? That is a circuit who prepare a path for flow of current, because control unit only manages the different type of processing work and the circuit is mainly work for giving a path for flow of current. So circuit is our answer of eighth one. Now ninth one, a small pieces of silicon. So a small piece of silicon is called a chip. Okay, now 10th one, all electronic circuits are fitted here. So where the all electronic circuits are fitted? They are fitted in a side of chips. Okay, in a rounds of chips. Now 11th one, CPU collect the data and programs from, they collect the data and programs from input devices. Now 12th one, after prepare information it present on, after completing the information it present on a output devices, right? Now 13th one, it control all the electronic units. So who control all the electronic units? Simple, CPU control all the electronic units, because the keyboard is mainly used for typing, right? So CPU is control all the electronic units. Now 14th one, full form of CU. The full form of CU is here control unit. Now full form of ALU. So full form of ALU is arithmetic logic unit. Now 16th one, first CU send data to, so we already know the process of CU. First they send the data to memory and after the memory store that data, then they send to ALU. So first CU send data to memory. So memory is answer in 16th one. Now 17th one, ALU prepare information then send to, so after preparing the ALU information they send to a CU. Okay, that is a control unit. So 17th one, CU is answer. Now 18th one, CU present prepared data at on a monitor. So monitor is our answer of 18th one. Now 19th one, memory present at the upper side of CPU, not present at lower side, because lower side there is a presence of ALU. Okay, so 19th one answer is upper side. Now last and final one, most important part in a motherboard is, that is a arithmetic logic unit. Okay, so this is all about our today's session. In next session we will meet and talking about some other questions answer regarding this CPU chapter. Okay, so till then, bye bye, take care.